Welcome to my YouTube channel Life Without Nature. Today we are talking about top 8 most infectious and deadliest diseases caused by bacteria. So we can start with Number 8. Anthrax. Causative agent, Bacillus anthracis. The first bacterial disease in this list is anthrax, a severe infection caused by the rod-shaped, gram-positive bacterium Bacillus anthracis. Refer to all shapes of bacteria. Anthrax comes in 3 forms: lung anthrax or pneumonia, skin anthrax, and intestinal anthrax. All of these forms, when not treated immediately, can result to death. In most cases, the anthrax bacterium lives as spores and can be found in the soil. By staying in this form, the bacteria can live for a long period and become resistant to heat and radiation. This bacterium is often used in bioterrorism. Terrorists release the spores of the bacteria in crowded and public spaces or sometimes send letters which contain the spores. Number 7. Tetanus. Causative agent, Clostridium tetani. The next bacterial illness is also known as lockjaw. Tetanus is a fatal bacterial infection that affects the brain and the nervous system. It is caused by the bacterium Clostridium tetani that produces a toxin that paralyzes muscles. This infection can cause the spasms and even respiratory difficulties resulting from the toxin interfering with the nerves involved in movement. Common sources of the bacteria include contaminated saliva or fecal matter, unsanitary surgical procedures, animal and insect bites. Number 6. Leptospirosis. Causative agent, Leptospira sp. Leptospirosis is a bacterial infection that can be obtained when the eyes, nose, or an open wound is exposed to soil or water that is contaminated with the bacteria. This bacteria is commonly found in animal urine. When left untreated, this infection can damage the kidney, liver, lungs, and even the brain. In worst cases, it may cause death. Number 5. Tuberculosis. Causative agent, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a highly contagious disease that infects the lungs. Its symptoms include fever, weight loss, night sweats, and persistent cough that may last for many months. The causative agent of tuberculosis, or commonly called TB, is an airborne pathogenic bacteria that can be transmitted from one person to another via sneezing and coughing. Number 4. Pneumonia. Causative agent, Klebsiella pneumoniae. Pneumonia is an infection in the lungs and can be caused by bacteria, viruses, or even fungi. In the case where the lungs get infected with the bacterium Klebsiella pneumoniae, the alveoli, air sacs, of the lungs become filled with pus, making it hard to breathe. Symptoms of this infection include cough with phlegm, shortness of breath, chest pain, fever, and night chills. Number 3. Cholera. Causative agent, Vibrio cholerae. Cholera is a type of bacterial disease that is often characterized by watery diarrhea and severe dehydration. When left untreated, it can lead to death. This infection is caused by consuming water or food that is contaminated with the bacterium. The bacterium Vibrio cholerae, which is commonly found in environments with poor sanitation, produces the toxin that poisons the intestines. Number 2. Botulism. Causative agent, Clostridium botulinum. Botulism is a rare yet extremely fatal bacterial disease caused by the bacterium Clostridium botulinum. Basically, this bacterium produces the substance botulinum, a type of lethal neurotoxin that paralyzes different muscles. Botulism occurs in many types: foodborne, wound, infant, and respiratory. Foodborne botulism is the most common and also the most deadly. Interestingly, the causative agent of this infection is also the same bacterium that is used to produce the anti-aging product Botox. Number 1. Pseudomonas infection. Causative agent, Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Caused by the common bacterial pathogen Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Pseudomonas infection targets the respiratory system. Here, the bacterium damages the lungs and worsens the conditions of people with cystic fibrosis. The bacterium is ubiquitous and therefore can infect people in many ways. It can be obtained by using contaminated surgical equipment, may spread through food, or even transmitted via physical contact. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about dogs and other animals.